This is our washer and dryer. Because this is a commercial washer and it's working good.
Joaquin, I can't hear you. You gotta talk a little louder, okay?
Listen, this is
Hello?
our washing machine and dryer, our commercial washer and dryer, and it's working. We have Mr. Franchi, the laundry washing in right now. And this is a commercial dryer right here.
Okay.